yeah, we live, baby. I got some shit from Amazon for my whole setup for my stream. So I'm gonna get straight to unboxing. There's no point in fucking talking. So got a bunch of shit from my fucking Blue Yeti setup. My camera guy right there.
Yeah.
Fucking Gabe. Fucking Gabe. That's what you need to call him. Fucking Gabe. He's gonna join the PC Master Race here soon. Wow, what the fuck am I saying? Don't mind the people singing in the background. But we'll make it quick, fast, and simple. Throw it down on the ground. We locked in. I got my shock mount for my Blue Yeti. It's just, I did not expect it to be this humongous. God damn. I want to open it. Hey, Lou, I'm ready. Boy, watch out. Boy, watch out. That spring action, though. That spring action, though. Illuminati confirmed. This shit's fucking lit. Can't wait to actually put it together. So that's that. It was on sale too, I think. I think it was probably broken just now. So that's that. Put that on the ground. And we got these long ass boxes here, boy. Open that shit. Bam, boom, pound, sling. I got all this shit for this. I don't remember what this is. Oh, this is the damn, the boom thing. Where I can be like test 1, 2, and it doesn't sound like a loud ass pop when I'm talking. You're like pop, pop. You know what I'm saying? Fucking dope. It's pretty long too. That's what she said. But it's pretty dope. Looks like some good quality here. Enough of that. Make it quick fast. That's done. Bada boom, bada boom, bada bing. Here we go. Last thing in the box. Completely fucked the cutting of the box open. What? I'm just gonna look at the camera the whole time. I don't need to look at the box. I don't need to look at the box. I don't need to. Because my hands will do all the work. Still staring at the camera. Don't need anything. Too easy. Easy. We had another giant box for the microphone arm. Anti-shake metal material desk mount. 360 adjustable. Beat. You ain't about that life. I don't even need to use my mic anymore. I just